So today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my nostril piercings. I do just want to mention beforehand though, if you have a fresh piercing, you're going to want to follow your piercer's aftercare instructions. Mine have been healed for a few years now, so I'm just going to show you what I do. So first thing you want to do is wash your hands. I have already done that, and then I have some gloves on for some extra protection as well. I'm going to start off first with this NeilMed saline spray, and we carry this on our site if you need any. I'm also using a clean cotton swab, but just a reminder that if you have a fresh piercing, you don't want to use these or anything with fibers as they can get caught. Again, mine is fully healed, so I'm going to be using this. So first thing I'm going to do is just saturate the cotton swab in saline spray. And then I'm going to just gently go over my piercings with them, go over both the hole and the post itself to make sure that those are clean. And then I go on the inside as well to make sure that that is all good to go. Now I'm going to do the other side. So saturate. And there we go. Now I'm all done, so I'm going to take a clean Kleenex or a paper towel and just lightly dab that. You don't want to slide the paper as it can get caught on the jewelry, so just dab that excess away. And just a reminder, my piercings are fully healed, but I do keep up an aftercare routine and keep cleaning them. I don't want to let any bacteria fester or get any infections.